we'll be reflecting a lot of not only the developments, but the challenges that we're still facing vis-a-vis bringing these products to patients. I would like to start by saying that these products bring a transformative approach to the way we manage patients, because we give the opportunity of long-term benefits, sometimes even the cure of disease, by gene modify either the cells or the patients and give them an opportunity to previously incurable disease to give not only a good treatment, but potentially a curative treatment. And we've seen that with the immuno-oncology, and we're seeing that in new developments, and we'll come back to that later on probably. But the biggest challenge I would say we're facing is to make sure that we provide access to these products to patients. These products have a different approach. They target either the coding of the cells or the function of the cells through the coding. And so they are pretty complex and require significant new technologies and investment in those new technologies. I think the recent advances have made a lot of the stakeholders comfortable, i.e. the regulators are more comfortable, the developers know what to do, the engagement with the regulators and the developments is significant. And there's a lot of new solutions to actually do the gene editing and delivery of the cells. But it continues to be a major challenge to actually control the product and manufacture the product and distribute the product across the world. So I would call it, from a technical point of view, being able to fully characterize, define the function of the product and manufacture and distribute it still continues to be a challenge. But as I said, we've seen a lot of developments. Interestingly enough, for instance, the challenge that we had recently on distributing of COVID vaccine took advantage of what we've done here already, and is also helping us back, because that experience with the vaccines will make us even more robust on that approach for manufacturing and supply chain. I think the elements of developing clinically are not different from the others, so I would not put as a major challenge. As I said, bringing them to the market, the regulators are more comfortable. I think the biggest challenge that we're going to face is making sure that the new mechanisms of payment and reimbursement of these products are put in place. Because we're not using a product that is going to be treating and used multiple times. We're using a product that will change the patient and maybe cure it. So the benefit is going to be all over several years. So we may need to address it with different paying methods. Back to the beginning, a lot of technical developments, a lot more comfortable. It's a vibrant field, not like 10, 15 years ago when I joined. We were a cute thing. Now we're an established business partner in terms of biotech. I think the next challenge is bring these products to patients, not just on the technical point of view, but payment, reimbursement, access and availability globally to the patients. And we're all working on it. And the meeting today and over the next couple of days, we'll come back to a series of these points just to make sure that we all work together to bring value to patients where it's needed.